And I'm Keeley. Happy Halloween. We are going to be celebrating Halloween by baking Jaffa flavoured cupcakes and decorating them all Halloween-y style. The difference is she's not going to be using her hands. I'm the hands.
Number 1, preheat oven to 180 degrees. We've done that. Place butter, juice and zest in mixer. Oh my god! Keeley, no! Keeley, no!
I need a chopping board. Get down.
Wait, I can't use my hands, Keeley. All the way through. All the, yep, you got it.
I always follow through.
Yeah, there's still a knife in there. Oh my god!
Usually I would cube the butter.
This is the bowl.
Oh yeah. This actually feels kind of gross but kind of nice. I'm gonna eat some decoration while we're here.
No, Abby!
I'm not A. We have to zest one orange.
You almost grated my face. No, seriously.
Flavouring. This is going to take forever as well. That's a nice juicy orange.
It's buttery now. Okay, Keeley.
I'm sorry.
Keeley, you gotta drip it on me. Ew! No!
There's one lipstick on you now. Okay. Now what? Mix it.
Until creamy. That's just stuck to the mixer.
Good enough. We'll add things. 3/4 cups of sugar and then 2 eggs need to be added. Cool.
You just tipped all of that out. It's fine.
Good enough.
What are you doing? Obviously you're not as talented as I am.
Obviously, I don't care. Don't break it.
I have a feeling we did something wrong.
Probably. Let's put a bit more sugar in there. I'm just gonna say speed 2 minutes.
It's not creamy. And I just saw
I think we're curdled.
Add flour, cocoa and milk and beat another 2 to 3 minutes. Mixture will be very fluffy and mousse-like. No, it won't. 2 cups self-raising flour. And then 1/4 cup cocoa, 1/4 cup milk.
Okay. Sifted?
Well, probably, yeah. We're gonna go take this one in. This is the biggest mess ever.
No, you are. You'll like it.
I'm touching you.
Gotta get milk.
Okay, but can you sift that in first before we put the milk over it?
Oh yeah.
1/4 cup of milk.
There.
Yeah. Yeah, that's enough. Oh, that's more than enough. Now mix it!
Now mix it.
Yes, please.
Just say for how long? I'm just resting my hand on your boob.
I didn't even notice.
Doesn't say this in the recipe, but we're adding Jaffas in case we've stuffed it up and you can't taste Jaffas. And because it's going to be nice.
And because Jaffas taste good.
Just like
the whole bag.
packet. Why not?
All the way.
So we got a second bag.
I'm gonna add a second packet to it.
Like
maybe not the whole thing.
Half.
Yeah, just so that
Because we want to eat some more.
Eat.
Don't eat it, it's raw egg. We were going to crush them, but that's too much work, so we're hoping the mixer's going to crush them for us. It's cracked.
Mine doesn't crack! Do you enjoy the look of that?
I do. I want to eat it how it is. Don't lick it. Spoon the mixture into the pate.
No!
We're going to put these ones in the oven because these ones are slightly bigger than the other ones, so they'll take a little bit longer. Now do the other one. No. Well, we probably should have timed those ones.
No.
I'm gonna put them in. Oh! I burnt my finger! Quick!
While that's going in, we'll make the icing. Melt chocolate in microwave.
Oh good, I don't want to do it over the stove.
I wrote it. Microwave.
Yeah, it's not focused, mate.
75 grams.
This is 220, so there.
I've got to turn the microwave on.
Here, baby, so good.
When we remove, we add the butter and stir until it melts.
It says 50 grams, just guesstimate. Oh, we didn't time the cupcakes.
She'll be right. Icing sugar.
How much?
Just all of it.
Put one in my mouth and one in yours, mate.
No.
Yeah. I'm good, you can have it. It looks like it's saliva in there and it's not even gonna cook out. Yum. That's the icing.
That we're not using.
What happened?
The butter. Too much butter.
It stinks. We didn't time the cupcakes. I'm gonna say 10 minutes. What does it say?
10 to 15 minutes.
So we did like 10-ish. For safety reasons, I'm going to be pulling the cupcakes out myself. Because we're gonna burn each other. Oh. Something just flicked up in my eye. I kicked it off. We're doing a normal icing now because we don't have enough chocolate to do the yummy one. Because we stuffed that one up. 200 grams of butter. But we didn't have 200 grams, so it just got like 180. Yeah, 70.
Something like that.
It's good enough. And then icing sugar. Do I have to sieve it? No.
That's not good. No. No. I don't know that'll be right. Yeah, just pour it all in.
Done. Vanilla.
Oh yeah, vanilla.
Essence or extract and how much?
Oh, I don't know, like a teaspoon of one of them.
Alright.
There's none in there. Okay, stop.
Oh, I can feel it dripping. We're gonna make it orange. Halloween.
Because Halloween! None. Oh, none. Okay.
Oh. Mix it. Now grab your cupcake and just decorate it with some icing. We're not doing the no hands now because we don't have time. Go!
I want to get one.
These are our finished products. I like mine the best. I think it wins because I incorporated the oranges which we used inside the cupcake.
Mine looks nice and
it's
cute,
got
and it's
the pumpkin and ghost marshmallow, and we did the biscuit. So good. We don't recommend making these.
If you do, make
Good
it
luck.
well.
Thank you for watching. Give it a like, subscribe if you want, and happy Halloween, and please don't make these cupcakes.
No.
They're disgusting. But bye.